Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate news streaming channel step by step clearly. To activate your news streaming channel, start by accessing your streaming platform's website or app. Log into your account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, create one by filling in the required details. Navigate to the Channel Setup or Manage Channels section. Select the option to create a new channel. Choose the category for your channel, which in this case is news. Fill in the necessary information, including your channel name and description. Make sure your channel name reflects the focus of your news content. Upload a profile picture and channel logo that represents your brand. Once your images are uploaded, check the dimensions to ensure they fit the platform's requirements. Next, set your channel's privacy settings according to your preferences. You can choose to make the channel public, private, or unlisted. After that, configure your streaming preferences. Decide whether you will stream live or upload pre-recorded news segments. For live streaming, ensure your equipment meets the platform's technical specifications. Test your camera and microphone to ensure they are working properly. Select a streaming software if required by the platform. Link your software to your channel by entering the provided stream key. Now, schedule your first news broadcast or upload your first video segment. Make sure to fill in all video metadata, including title, description, and tags. Select a suitable thumbnail to attract viewers to your video. Preview your setup to ensure everything looks and sounds good. Finally, hit the Go Live or Publish button to activate your news streaming channel. Monitor your channel for any technical issues during your first few streams. Engage with your audience through live chat or comments for improved interactivity. Continue to update and refine your content based on viewer feedback and analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.